Each SlimLane order comes with a set of templates. The templates and X braces are an important first step in the correct installation of your SlimLane. If properly used, the SlimLane arrays will be correctly aligned, the anchor holes and conduit locations identified. There are several tools required to accomplish the work of setting the anchors as shown in the picture. The list is also available in the technical manual. A hammer drill is important as the anchors need to be set in concrete. To get started, place your templates in the space where the SlimLanes are to be installed. The placement should mirror what was agreed to in the signed-off drawings. Position the first template and then build your remaining lanes. Set up all the templates for the lane array so any adjustments made will reflect for all the lanes. Use the correct pinpoints for the X braces, that is to say, 23-inch lane, a 36-inch lane, or an SL944 model, so the lanes are the desired width. Once satisfied with the placement, tape down the template and clearly mark the desired anchor holes and conduit location. In this video, it is a 23-inch single lane array, that is why only one side of the template was marked. With the proper personal protective equipment, that is to say, safety glasses, dust mask, and safety footwear, now you are ready to drill the anchor holes. Using your hammer drill, start with a pilot hole 5/16 of an inch by 1/2 inch deep, then enlarge it with a 1/2 inch bit and go 2.5 inches deep. Use your vacuum to capture the dust from the drilling. Use one of the anchors to check for the correct depth. The next step is to remove any dust or debris from the drilling, as this will impact the adhesion of the epoxy. With compressed air, the vacuum, and wire brush, clean each anchor hole.